Looking to upgrade your bike's drivetrain for smoother, more reliable shifting? The Shimano 11-speed HG601 chain is designed to deliver just that. Compatible with all 11-speed setups, this chain promises a noticeable boost in performance and durability, letting you focus on the ride without worrying about your gear changes. What sets the HG601 apart is its asymmetric plate design, which improves shifting precision and reduces chain noise. Plus, Shimano's SIL-TEC treatment extends the chain's lifespan by reducing wear and friction. Weighing just 260 grams and featuring 116 links, it strikes the perfect balance between strength and lightweight efficiency for both road and mountain bikes. One rider shared their experience upgrading from an 8-speed Claris groupset to 11-speed using this chain. They highlighted the easy installation thanks to the two included quick links, which simplified the process and saved time. After more than 1,000 miles, their chain still performs flawlessly, proof of its lasting quality and reliability. Plus, it arrived in genuine Shimano packaging, delivered faster than expected. If you're serious about improving your bike's shifting and durability, the Shimano 11-speed HG601 chain is worth a look. It offers clear benefits: smoother gear changes, longer wear life, and hassle-free installation. Whether you're upgrading your road bike or mountain bike drivetrain, this chain will help you get the most out of every ride. Ready to experience the difference? Try the Shimano HG601 chain when you're ready to take your bike's performance up a notch. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big impact: smooth shifts, less maintenance, and a chain that keeps going mile after mile.